this is Tracey from Lavinia Stamps, and thank you for joining me today for another demonstration. We're going to be using the gel press here. This is from the combo kit, and we're going to be using our elements and a stencil, and then we're going to just create a really nice simple background. And I'm taking the Sahara, inking up, and I'm just going to pop a little on the top of the gel press. And then I've got a stencil here, and then picking a colour, we've got Mermaid. Now it's quite a bright colour, so first of all, ink up your brayer and let's just take a little off, and then pop the rest of the ink on the top of the stencil. Now turn it over face down and pop it on top of your gel press. Clean your brayer and then we're going to just lightly run over the top, and let's see what that looks like. So I've got some multifarious card here, and I'm just going to pop that over the top and give that a smooth over. And you can see that lovely background. And how quick and easy was that? So I've got one of our fairy stamps here. This is quite an old one, but certainly a favourite. And I'm going to ink her up in the Nocturne. Make sure that she's completely covered. And then we're going to pop her down around about here. Now give her a good firm press, let that ink just soak into the card, just give it a little bit of time and then you'll get the perfect image. We've got our little lamp here. I'm going to go back to the black, ink that up, and I'm going to just pop that like so. I need to ground our fairy now, so I'm going to just use one of our masks. And then just line that up over the base, over the bottom of where her feet are. And I'm going to use Twilight. So hold on to that, try not to let it move. And we'll bring some of that lovely colour in. Now I'm going to also bring that colour up very gently. And that's what's so nice about these stencil brushes. They're so soft. They're very condensed, so yeah, they hold a lot of colour and they don't move about. But to feel them, they are so lovely and soft. Now I'm going to just take that around the edge. So I'm going to add a little bit of foliage and things down at the bottom here. I'm going to go back to Twilight, and we've got one of our mini mushrooms here. So let's just pop a few of those about. So you don't have to use the same foliage that I'm using, you can use any that you've got. Bring a little bit of colour in. So we've got monarch here, and again I'm just using another little foliage stamp. I've got my lovely Posca pens here. I've got the yellow, and I'm just going to fill the lamp in. And I'm going to do a few little dots down the bottom here. And taking another colour, got an orange here. Lastly, I think we'll pop a little bit of glitter over the top. So we're going to need our glue pen first, and I'm going to bring in a few dots down at the bottom here. And then let's sprinkle some glitter over the top. I think we might go with the purple actually. This is Purple Delight. So let's tap that off. And there we go. And there we have our lovely card. So you can see how the glitter is just stuck to the base. It also sticks to the VersaFine as well. The finer glitter sticks to the VersaFine, but I think that's really effective. Okay guys, thanks so much for joining me for today's demonstration. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and you take care.